Hello students, today we will discuss more problems on limit of the form 1 power infinity. In the last video some problems will completed. Now observing limit x tends to infinity x square plus 5x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 3 whole power x. Very clear, this is also 1 power infinity form. Because of here observing what is the value of this function. Here this is a polynomial of degree 2 and this is also polynomial of degree 2. So degree of numerator and degree of denominator both are equal. Then as x tends to infinity, this value is what? Here what about x square coefficient? 1. Here x square coefficient 1, totally 1. 1 power infinity. This is also 1 power infinity form. So how to solve? Simple technique in the last video I given, observing here. E power limit x tends to infinity. What is the power here? X. Power into base x square plus 5x plus 3 divided by x square plus x plus 3 minus 1. Just power into base minus 1. E power limit x tends to infinity. Now it should simplify x into x square plus 5x plus 3 minus x square plus x plus 3 divided by x square plus x plus 3. Very clear, observing limit x tends to infinity. After simplification getting here, x square cancelled and 4x and 3 minus 3, 0 divided by x square plus x plus 3. Okay, now simplifying here, what happening? E power limit x tends to infinity 4x square by x square plus x plus 3. Very clear, observing this function, the degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is also 2. The degrees are equal. So, simple technique, here e power, what is the x square coefficient from numerator 4 and what is x square coefficient, that is the leading term from denominator 1. So, e power 4 by 1, that is equal to what? E power 4. Okay. Now we will discuss one more question. Observing limit x tends to infinity x square minus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 4x plus 2 whole power x. This is also same is of the form 1 power infinity. Here we applied here some process. Yeah, simply how to write directly. This model is important. Observing here, this is a quadratic expression, this is also quadratic expression. Okay, just simply in one step getting answer. How to write? Very clear. E power, what is x coefficient here? Minus 2. What is x coefficient from denominator? Minus 4. Just we should write minus 2 minus of minus 4. Finally getting e square is our answer. Same technique now should apply to previous problem. What happening here? Very clear. E power, what is x coefficient here? 5. And from denominator, x coefficient is what? 1. So, e power 5 minus 1. Getting e power 4. Again, next year, one more question observing. Limit x tends to infinity x square plus 5x minus 1 by x square plus 3x minus 2 whole power 2x. Very clearly here, this is quadratic expression by quadratic expression. But power is what? Linear. But the previous question x coefficient is what? 1. Here 2. Of course, same procedure we should apply. Here how to write? Simply in a single step. E power, same technique. What is the x coefficient from numerator? 5. From denominator 3. So, e power 5 minus 3 into x coefficient of the linear. So, here 2. So finally what? E power 4 is our answer. Then 5 seconds will complete. This is actually 4 marks between JEE Mains level. Okay, now observing here. Next one. Limit x tends to infinity 2x square plus 7x minus 3 by 2x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 3x. What is the difference here? Previous question, present question. A small difference is that we are observing now. In the previous 3 bits, x square coefficient is what? Unity. But here, x square coefficient is not unity. That is not equal to 1. Now, how to identify the answer? Okay, now very simple technique I will tell now. E power, same now. What is the x coefficient here? 7. Here, minus 9. Now I should write 7 minus of minus 9. Okay, into what is x coefficient here? 3. Divided by what is the x square coefficient here? 2. We should write now. N. In the previous year x square coefficient 1. There is no difference. But here x square coefficient is not equal to 1. That's why we should write now 2 here. Now finally getting answer e power 16 into 3 by 2. Finally e power 24 is our answer. But among all these problems here, we are observing here, x square coefficient is same from numerator and from denominator. Then only this technique is applicable. Otherwise, not possible. Getting another answer. Understood? Right. One more model we'll discuss now. Now, limit x tends to infinity x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole per x plus 3. This is also important format. Very clear, this is also 1 power infinity form because this is a linear, that is degree 1. This is also linear, degree 1. So the degree of numerator and degree of denominator same. That's why easily should write now what x coefficient here? 1. Here x coefficient 1. So 1 by 1 whole power infinity. So very clear, this is 1 power infinity form. Now same technique now should apply. E power limit x tends to infinity power x plus 3 into base minus 1. Okay, right. So e power limit x tends to infinity. Now you can simplify x plus 3. Here x plus 1 is LCM. After simplification, x plus 2 minus x minus 1. Finally getting e power limit x tends to infinity x plus 3 into 1 divided by x plus 1. Now very clear observing here, x plus 3 by x plus 1, the degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is also 1. Now using technique e power, what is the x coefficient here? 1. Here 1. Finally what? E is our answer. Now one more question observing here. Limit x tends to infinity x plus 5 by x plus 2 whole power 5x. What is the difference here? Power is also linear, but x coefficient is 5. Here x coefficient is 1. Of course, same procedure we should apply getting answer. Now technique I will give. Directly you should write in single step. That is e power. Just now subtract. Here what is the constant from numerator? 5. Here 2. 5 minus 2. But here the power that is linear, x coefficient is 5 into 5. So finally e power 15 is our answer.